In this video tutorial, I'll show you some of the advantages of having overlapping and transparent objects. So I'm going to start out with the KPI object, just looking at revenue. Of course, we just see the revenue number here, and in this case, I would like to format that number. Let's do a different numeric format, one with just a single decimal and automatic abbreviation to get something like this. Furthermore, the KPI image I would like to use here should be this one here, where I can also see the name of my measure. So there we go. And let's just copy this one. So select it, Control C, Control V, copy paste. And the second KPI object goes over here, and let's just do another copy so that we got 3 KPI objects in total. Now for the second KPI object, I would like to see profit instead of revenue. Notice that I can just drag profit on top of the selected revenue to replace it. I'll show you again with now profit margin. There you go. Now my profit margin, the number format for that should be slightly different. Should go with 1 decimal, but not with the abbreviation. But I would like to have a trailing text here, just a percentage sign like this. So now my KPI objects are okay. And the next thing I would like to add here is another text box. Well, in fact, I'm not going to add some text here, but I'm actually just going to use this one for adding an image. This one, kind of world map with 3 circles on top. I'll just make sure that the image size matches my box here. And now I would like that to fill out the entire canvas. So drag it to the lower right corner. You can also see the size down here, 1600 by 900 pixels. Now that's my canvas size as well. Now let's send this image to the background. Now I can multi-select my 3 KPI objects just for moving them into the correct location. I'm a bit lucky here that they actually match as they are. Otherwise you'll have to place them individually, of course. But here we go. If I press my F2 button, you can see in consumer preview that you have a nice dashboard with these overlapping and transparent KPI objects. And by the way, if I do a Control A here in design mode, I select all of my objects, including the background. Now I can do a group of that. And when you do a group and start resizing things, for instance, well, you resize it as one group, and when you move it as one group. Very useful.